Now, let us look at how to perform a corner joint weld on mild steel plate 10 mm thickness in flat position by SMAW process. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to
set the plates to form an open corner joint at 90 degrees with specified root gap in flat position. Tack weld the pieces as an open corner joint at both ends. Deposit root run in the corner joint with the formation of a keyhole and obtain complete penetration. Deposit uniform covering layers in the corner joint using weaving of electrode and complete the weld. Inspect the welded joint for penetration, reinforcement and throat thickness.
Now, let us look at the tools required for corner joint on a 10 mm thick MS plate. Steel rule, scriber, prick punch, ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, electrode cable and earth cable, electrode holder, electrode, personal protective equipment, SMAW welding plant machine, C-clamp.
Now, let us look at how to perform a corner joint weld on MS plate 10 mm thickness in flat position by SMAW process. Set the plates as an open corner joint on the table with parallel root gap of 2.5 mm throughout the joint. The angle between the plates is kept at 87 degrees to control the distortion. Another method to control distortion is to set the angle at 90 degrees and use a right angled iron fixture to minimize the distortion. Clean the tacks. Check alignment and reset the joint if required. Tack weld the corner joint from inside using a MS electrode 2.5 mm dia and 100 to 110 amps current range. Tack weld with maximum tack length of 20 mm each. De-slag and clean the tacks using chipping hammer and wire brush. Deposit root run in the bottom of the corner by using a MS electrode 2.5 mm dia and welding current of 110 to 120 amps, maintaining a slightly short arc. Position the electrode vertically between the edge and 60 to 70 degrees with the weld line. Form a keyhole near the weld crater of the tack weld to ensure complete penetration. Maintain travel speed similar to the speed used for straight beading. Clean the root run thoroughly and observe penetration. Ensure no slag particles are adhering on the root run. The crater is to be properly filled in each run. Deposit first covering layer, that is the second run, using 4 mm dia medium coated MS electrode and with 160 amps welding current. A weaving motion of the electrode has to be given to ensure enough metal is deposited in the groove and both edges of the plates are fused. Ensure that the electrode angles are as uniform medium arc length. Uniform normal travel speed should be maintained. Clean the slag from the first covering layer thoroughly. Ensure all the surface defects are rectified. Deposit second covering layer, that is the third run, using 4 mm MS electrode and 160 amps welding current. Use wider weaving motion to the sides of corner joint. A slower rate of travel than the first covering layer has to be followed. Use the same angle of electrode and arc length as used in first covering layer. Each movement of the weave from one side to the other will deposit more metal, and that takes more time. Ensure restarting and stopping of the beads correctly. The usual defect on the final layer of weld is edge plate melted off. This can be eliminated if care is taken to weave the electrode to the required extent so that the edges are just fused. The arc should not be focused on the edges at all. Let us do the inspection of fillet weld in the corner joint. Check each run for the following weld characteristics. The width and height of the weld has to be uniform. The appearance has to be smooth with close ripples. The face of the weld on root run and first covering layer should be flat. The final run layer has to be slightly convex. The edges of the welds has to be looked for good fusion, no undercut or no overlap. The start and stop of the weld has to be free of depression and high spots. The craters should be filled. The back side of the joint has to be complete and should have uniform penetration.
Recap.
Set the plates to form an open corner joint at 90 degrees. Tack weld the pieces as an open corner joint at both ends. Deposit root run in the corner joint with the formation of a keyhole and obtain complete penetration. Deposit uniform covering layers in the corner joint using weaving of electrode and complete the weld. Inspect the welded joint for penetration, reinforcement and throat thickness.